Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that's a bit of a game changer in the world of healing and soothing balms, Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm B5. If you've been looking for a versatile skin-repairing balm that works for everything from irritated skin to dry patches, this one might be the answer. This multi-purpose ointment has gained a solid reputation for being a skin savior, especially if you have sensitive skin or need something gentle yet effective. It's suitable for the whole family, including babies, and works on everything from minor skin irritations to post-procedure care. Let's break it down and see how it stacks up. The Cicaplast Balm B5 is all about providing relief to dry and irritated skin. With an active ingredient of 1% dimethicone, this balm creates a barrier to protect and lock in moisture while soothing discomfort. It's fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and pediatrician-approved, making it perfect for anyone with sensitive skin or who might be recovering from skin procedures like laser treatments or minor burns. I've been using this product on both my body and hands, and it's been a great addition to my routine. It's especially effective when my skin feels particularly parched or after a long day of exposure to the elements. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is key for me. It doesn't feel heavy, but it still provides that comforting layer of hydration. When I first applied it, the texture was smooth, almost velvety, and it immediately started soothing my skin. It's one of those products that feels like it's truly working the moment it touches your skin. As for the scent, well, it's practically non-existent, which I actually appreciate, especially when I'm dealing with sensitive skin or just don't want to deal with fragrances. Now, in terms of usage, it's been great for everything, from dry patches on my elbows to small nicks and cuts. I've even used it on my hands after frequent hand washing, which has been a lifesaver in the winter months. It doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky, which is a big plus for me. And the best part? It's safe for babies, so I feel comfortable using it on my little one when her skin needs some extra care. There are a lot of things to love about the Cicaplast Balm B5, but no product is without its downsides. One potential con is that the texture, while smooth, can feel a bit thick when you apply it to larger areas of the skin. This isn't a deal breaker, but if you prefer something lighter, you might want to consider a different option. Also, while it does the job for dry skin and minor irritations, it may not be intensive enough for deep eczema flare-ups. For those wondering about its value, this balm is definitely on the higher end. But it's also a dermatologist-recommended product that's been tested for sensitive skin. The ingredients are high quality and have been tested rigorously, which justifies the price tag for me. Plus, the fact that it works for the whole family, including babies, gives it extra value for money. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple yet functional. The tube ensures the balm is easy to apply, and you don't have to worry about contamination, which is essential when dealing with a product intended for sensitive skin. I've had no issues with the tube either. It's been durable, and the product has a decent shelf life, staying effective as long as it's kept in good conditions. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other healing balms out there. But what sets Cicaplast apart is the clinical backing it comes with. If you're after something budget-friendly, some drugstore brands offer similar products, but they might not be as universally safe or as effective as this one for really sensitive skin. So does La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5 live up to the hype? In my opinion, absolutely. It's not a miracle product, but it does exactly what it promises: soothes and repairs skin without irritation. If you've got sensitive skin, or you're just in need of a go-to product for minor skin issues, I highly recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.